Justice Alito, Justice Sotomayor, Justice Kagan.
May I ask about your view of traceability? And, you know, on one understanding, and I want you to tell me if you agree with this, that even beyond proving whatever injury you're trying to prove, that you have to show that that injury is traceable to the 2016 and 2021 FDA actions that you're challenging. And of course, that means showing that these incidents that you're talking about in the emergency room are caused by whatever incremental increase in risk there is as a result of those 2016 and 2021 actions. And I guess my first question is, do you agree with that statement of what you need to show? And if you do, how do you satisfy that? Why do you satisfy that?
So we believe, Justice Kagan, under the case law, that we need to show that each of the 2016 action and the 2021 action increased the risk of harm. And we think the way—
But then I guess what I'm saying is that you have to link whatever injury your members have to that increased risk. Do you agree with that?
We do, and we think we can do that for a couple of reasons. First of all, traceability, of course, is de facto. We're not in the Paul's graph sort of world of tort causation. And when you look at the 2021 action, we think traceability is satisfied by FDA's own words. It says at JA 405 that without the in-person visit, this is the Anger study, without that in-person visits, ER and other medical care is likely to increase, as well as surgical interventions. And these are the very same surgical interventions that harm respondent clients.
So there might be some dispute between the two of you as to exactly how big the increased risk is. But let's even take your view that there is, you know, some measurable increased risk. How do you connect that risk to particular actions that your members have, to particular injuries that your members have undergone or imminently will undergo? I mean, it could be, you know, the original risk.
So I think the declarations are actually quite clear on this. If you look at Dr. Francis's declaration, she says that when the in-person visit was enjoined in 2020 by a federal district court, that she saw an increase in emergency room visits from abortion drug harm. Dr. Johnson, Dr. Scott say the same thing. And again, this is entirely consistent with FDA's own numbers. Again, in 2020, FDA told this court that the in-person visit was necessary to preserve women's health because an in-person visit is the best opportunity to examine for things like ectopic pregnancy and accurately assess gestational age.
Thank you.